Saokar Navale. I am the owner of Deccan Dental Clinic and OPG Center. Today I am going to talk about what are hand-raised radiographs are, how it is taken, whether they are painless or painful, and third important thing, why it is mostly indicated for the braces patients. So first thing, what are hand-raised radiographs? Hand-raised radiographs are X-rays of hand which covers hands and wrist. Mostly it is taken in a kids. Age group you can roughly consider from 8 years to 12 to 13 years. Second important question, whether it is painless. Yes, it is absolutely painless. It won't cause any type of pain and can be taken within half a minute. Third important question, why it is advised for all braces patients. Before talking about it, I'll just give you a rough idea about the bone age and chronological age and the dental age. Chronological age is a normal age what we always consider start from our birth. Second is a dental age which will depend on the number of teeth present inside your mouth. Third is a bone age. Bone age when we consider, it depends on upon the growth of the bone, how they are growing, what is their growth status, accordingly that is known as bone age. Like chronological age and bone age might differ, so they are not exactly matched with each other. So it is usually recommended for braces patient when we are planning for growth modification to take hand-raised radiograph to analyze the bone age. Now what is growth modification? Growth modification means most of the time in kids we actually can promote the growth of one jaw and inhibit the growth of some other jaw. It can be done at particular age. To assess that bone age we need hand-raised radiograph. So that is one important use of hand-raised radiograph. So mostly we advise it for the small kids to do growth modification. So that is the biggest advantage of hand-raised radiograph. Hope this video have helped you to analyze what is hand-raised radiograph, whether it is painful or not. Third thing, what is the important use of hand-raised radiograph. Please like my channel, subscribe it. Bye bye, take care.